Mr. Teme's Easy English. Our today's topic is talking about yourself or introducing yourself in English. Today, we have a fun and simple conversation between Zara and Tony. It's perfect for learning everyday English and practicing speaking. Let's watch, listen, and learn together.
Hi, Zara. It's nice to see you again. How are you today?
Hi, Tony. I'm good, thank you. A little tired, but happy. How about you?
I'm doing great. I had my coffee this morning, so I'm full of energy.
Oh, I need some coffee too. Maybe after our talk.
Yes! Today's topic is fun. We're going to talk about ourselves in English.
That's right. It's one of the best ways to practice English. Just talking about you and me.
So let's start easy. What's your full name, Zara?
My full name is Zara Malik, but my friends just call me Zara. It's short and easy.
Nice. I like that. My name is Tony Brown, but some people call me Mr. T, like Mr. Teme.
That's cool, Mr. T.
Where are you from, Zara?
I'm from Kenya. I live in Nairobi. It's a big and busy city, but I like it.
Oh, nice. I've seen pictures. Very beautiful. I'm from London in the UK.
Wow, London! I want to visit one day.
So, how old are you, Zara?
Guess.
22?
Close. I'm 23. I had my birthday last month.
Oh, happy late birthday!
Thank you. And you, Tony?
I'm 25. My birthday's in May.
Nice. So you're older than me, but only a little.
Just a little.
So, Tony, what do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
I work as an English teacher.
Oh, really? That's great. You teach English, and now we're talking in English. Perfect.
Yes, it's my favorite thing to do.
I'm a student. I study computer science at university.
Wow, that sounds cool. Computers are the future.
Yes, but sometimes it's hard. Too much coding.
I know. Coding is like learning a new language, too. Do you live with your family, Zara?
Yes, I live with my parents and my younger brother.
That's nice. How old is your brother?
He's 18. He just finished high school.
Oh, congratulations to him.
Thank you. What about you, Tony?
I live alone in an apartment, but I visit my parents on weekends.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Yes, it makes me happy.
So, what do you do in your free time, Tony?
I love reading books, watching movies, and playing football.
Oh, football. Do you play well?
I try, but sometimes I just watch it with snacks.
Same here. I like watching football.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
I love listening to music, dancing, and cooking.
Oh, what do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta and chicken. Simple, but delicious.
Yum. I'm getting hungry now. What's your typical day like, Zara?
Well, I wake up at 7 a.m., take a shower, eat breakfast, and then go to university.
Nice. What time do your classes start?
Usually at 9 a.m., I study until 3 p.m. Then I go home, rest, and watch some TV.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you, Tony?
I wake up early, around 6 a.m., make coffee, and prepare for my English lessons. Then I teach until afternoon.
Wow, busy day. But you love teaching, right?
Yes, very much. It's my passion.
So, Tony, what's your dream?
My dream is to travel around the world and teach English everywhere.
That's amazing. I want to visit many countries too.
Where would you like to go first?
Maybe Japan or France. I love their culture.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I want to visit Africa first, maybe Kenya, to see Nairobi.
You're welcome anytime.
Well, that was a nice talk, Zara. I learned a lot about you.
Me too, Tony. It was fun and easy. Perfect English practice.
Yes, and to everyone listening, you can also practice like this with your friends.
That's right. It's one of the best ways to practice English. Just talking about you and me. Just talk about yourself in English. Your name, hobbies, family, dreams.
Hey, Zara, that was fun. I really enjoyed today's English practice.
Me too, Tony. And I hope our friends enjoyed it too.
Of course! So, friends, if you like this video, don't forget to
click the like button.
Yes. And also, subscribe to our channel.
Mr. Teme's Easy English. And please, share this video with your friends, classmates, or anyone who wants to speak English better.
Because we make English easy, fun, and friendly.
Okay, Tony. See you in the next lesson.
That's right. Let's grow and learn together.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling and keep learning English.